Big savings ahead. New Drivers Edition. If you're a new driver, you're probably excited about the freedom and independence that comes with having your own set of wheels. But along with that freedom comes responsibility. And one of the biggest responsibilities is making sure you have the right car insurance. Did you know that new drivers can save an average of $500 per year on car insurance just by shopping around? That's a significant amount of money that can make a big difference in your budget. Whether you're a student trying to make ends meet or a young professional just starting out, every dollar counts. That's right, folks. Just by comparing quotes from different insurance providers, you can potentially keep a significant chunk of change in your pocket. It's all about being a smart consumer and taking the time to do a little research. Many people think that car insurance is a fixed cost, but the truth is there are many variables that can affect your premium. We're talking about money that could be used for gas, fun outings, or even investing in your future. Imagine being able to take that road trip you've always dreamed of, or having a little extra cash to put into your savings account. The possibilities are endless when you start to think about what you could do with the money you save on car insurance. Stay tuned, because in this essay, we're going to dive deep into the world of car insurance and show you exactly how to navigate the system and come out on top. We'll cover everything from understanding the different types of coverage to tips on how to lower your premium. Whether you're a new driver or just looking to save some money, this guide is for you. So buckle up and get ready to learn how to make the most of your car insurance. One of the first things you need to know is that not all car insurance policies are created equal. There are different types of coverage, such as liability, collision, and comprehensive, and each one offers different levels of protection. It's important to understand what each type of coverage entails so you can make an informed decision about what you need. Liability coverage is the most basic type of car insurance and is required by law in most states. It covers damages to other people's property and injuries to other people in an accident that you cause. Collision coverage, on the other hand, covers damages to your own vehicle in the event of an accident, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage goes even further, covering damages to your vehicle from non-collision events such as theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Once you understand the different types of coverage, the next step is to start comparing quotes from different insurance providers. This can be done easily online, and there are many websites that allow you to compare multiple quotes at once. Be sure to look at the details of each policy, not just the price, to make sure you're getting the coverage you need. Another tip for saving money on car insurance is to take advantage of discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for things like having a good driving record, taking a defensive driving course, or even having good grades if you're a student. Be sure to ask about any discounts that may be available to you. In conclusion, being a new driver comes with a lot of responsibilities, but it also comes with opportunities to save money. By understanding the different types of coverage, comparing quotes, and taking advantage of discounts, you can make sure you're getting the best deal on your car insurance. So take the time to do your research and make an informed decision. Your wallet will thank you. Why car insurance matters, even more so for newbies. Car insurance isn't just about following the law. It's about protecting yourself financially in case of an accident. Imagine you're driving down the road, enjoying your newfound freedom, and suddenly, out of nowhere, another car hits you. The damage to your car could be extensive, and without insurance, you'd be left to cover all those costs on your own. And let's be real, accidents happen, especially when you're new to the driving game. New drivers are statistically more likely to be involved in accidents due to inexperience and sometimes overconfidence. It's a learning curve, and having insurance can make that curve a lot less steep. Without insurance, even a minor fender bender could land you in a mountain of debt. Think about it. A small accident in a parking lot could result in a dented bumper, which might not seem like a big deal until you get the repair bill. Those costs can quickly escalate, leaving you financially strained. We're talking about potential costs like vehicle repairs, which can be surprisingly expensive. Even minor damages can require specialized parts and labor, adding up to a hefty bill. And that's just the beginning. Medical bills for yourself and others, and even legal fees. If you're involved in an accident that results in injuries, the medical expenses can be astronomical. Hospital stays, surgeries, and ongoing treatments can drain your savings. And if the accident leads to a legal dispute, the costs of hiring a lawyer and going through the legal process can be overwhelming. Trust me, those bills can add up faster than you can say insurance deductible. It's not just about the immediate costs, but the long-term financial impact. Having car insurance provides a safety net that can protect you from these unexpected expenses, giving you peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. So, if you're a new driver, don't underestimate the importance of car insurance. It's an investment in your financial security and your future. The new driver dilemma: high premiums and no history. It's a frustrating reality for many new drivers. When you first get your license, the excitement of hitting the road is often dampened by the shock of high insurance premiums. You might wonder why you're being charged so much more than experienced drivers. Here's the deal. Insurance companies love experienced drivers with clean records. These drivers have proven over time that they are less likely to get into accidents and file claims. Their years of safe driving translate into lower risk for the insurance companies, and in turn, they get rewarded with lower premiums. Why? Because statistically, they're less likely to file a claim. Insurance is all about risk assessment, and the numbers show that experienced drivers are a safer bet. They have a track record that demonstrates their ability to navigate the roads without incident. New drivers, on the other hand, are seen as higher risk. Without a history of safe driving, insurance companies have no way of knowing how you will perform on the road. This uncertainty leads to higher premiums as a precautionary measure. You haven't had years on the road to prove your driving skills, and that lack of history translates into higher premiums. But don't despair. There are ways to build your driving record and reduce your insurance costs over time. For instance, taking a defensive driving course can demonstrate your commitment to safe driving. There are proven strategies to overcome this challenge and secure more affordable rates. Shopping around for the best deals, maintaining a clean driving record, and even getting good grades if you're a student can help lower your premiums. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with time and effort you can achieve lower insurance costs. Taking control: smart moves for lower insurance costs. The first step to lower insurance costs is to build a solid driving record. Avoid speeding tickets, accidents, and other traffic violations like they're the plague. These blemishes on your record can send your premiums skyrocketing. Next up, consider taking a defensive driving course. Not only will this improve your driving skills, but many insurance companies offer discounts for completing these programs. The secret weapon: unleashing the power of comparison. Here's the kicker, and it's a big one. Never settle for the first insurance quote you receive. Remember that statistic we mentioned earlier about saving $500? That's where comparison shopping comes in. Use online tools and contact multiple insurance providers to get quotes tailored to your specific needs. You'll be amazed at the price variations you find. The road to savings: your journey to affordable insurance. Here's another pro tip. Ask about discounts. Many insurance companies offer discounts for things like being a good student, having multiple cars on the same policy, or even bundling your car insurance with other types of insurance like renters or homeowners insurance. It never hurts to ask, and those savings can really add up. Share your wisdom and keep learning. So there you have it, folks. Getting affordable car insurance as a new driver is totally doable. Remember to drive safely, shop around for the best rates, and take advantage of available discounts whenever possible. And hey, if you've got